how to create Among Us account. So if you want to create Among Us account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Among Us application. After opening, you need to go with I understand, which will be on the bottom. And now in order to create your account, you just need to simply go and select an account, like for example your Play Store account or your Google. But if you've already logged in before, and if you've again reinstalled the application, then it will automatically log you in and it will ask you for an age verification. So you need to just simply go and continue with your Google or your Play Store, and this will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go and tap on month and then select your date of birth, your date, your year, and then go with submit, which will be on the bottom, and tap on yes, and that's it. As you can see that if you go with my account, which will be on the left side, and then go with my account, and you'll find your account ID. That's how you can create your Among Us account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.